Hi, are you depressed a lot? I mean, like, I really am. Like,
Sometimes
I don't know,
I'm depressed. I'm not really that kind of person.
I feel lonely and stuff, Like nobody likes me, I just feel like that, but, like, school is, like, my main, I don't know. Like, for school...
School is depressing. It's just part of life.
School is not depressing.
Sometimes.
School is where you meet the bestest friends ever, like these two people. Yeah. Yeah. Don't think that school is, like, boring and stuff. I mean, like, think of this. If you go to school and you get a really good education and you do pre-AP. Pre-AP, that's what I'm doing right now. You get to do most of, like, you will get big scholarships, and you'll get money for college, and always try your best. I mean, like, don't do stupid stuff. Don't do drugs. I know that this week is drug-free week for some schools over here.
We do, like, celebrations, like, this week.
Yeah, we did, like, a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, mustache day, crazy hair day.
Nobody cares about that.
Yeah, we don't really need to tell you guys. Yeah. You guys don't care.
Yeah, you don't. Okay, but, yeah, and, just don't feel that way because, you gotta have fun. School can be fun if you just make it fun. Yeah. But don't go all crazy and, like,
Don't try and make it, like, crazy fun,
don't,
trust me, it does not work.
Yeah. Don't be the one that is always getting in trouble and, like, the bad kid. Like, you think you're so tough, you're like, I'm so tough. I'm beat all your kids up. No, don't be a bully like that. No. No, because you know what? Because you know what? That will, like, some people in our school are like that. And, some of them will never, ever change.
Yeah.
And if you do drugs, they're gonna mess you up. You're not gonna be. You may not be able to go to college, to prom, like get your first car, have your first kiss or something. My goal in life.
I've dreamed of that day. I hate that day.
My goal in life is to make, like, good grades, to make a honor roll, do pre-AP, do a bunch of stuff, like, get out there, join clubs.
Just smack me in the face.
Join clubs and stuff. So, yeah, I really think you guys,
be productive, be, like, don't, like, hide yourself, like, inside.
Yeah.
Like,
go bike riding, go skateboarding, do something instead of just staying home and, like, doing this. Watching the TV.
Don't turn it off.
Don't. Like
this. Don't be like this.
You'll always be in the TV doing this. Oh my gosh. It's SpongeBob. It's SpongeBob. Oh my gosh. I've never seen this show. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Where's SpongeBob? I don't see him. Yeah.
And don't be like this. Don't be like, hi.
Yeah.
What's up?
Like, okay, so, and then the other thing that I want to talk about is, like,
don't be boring.
Is like, do you like this person?
Yeah, like, I know some girls and guys out there who have, like, crushes.
Yes, and you know what? There are some kids in our grade right now that are actually kissing. And making out and getting each other and holding them like, yeah. Don't do that. I'm even too young to do that.
Yeah, no,
I'm not gonna do that. I mean, like, popular girls, if they're they'll be like, oh my gosh, I kissed a boy today, and, like, we just stayed for one day.
I can't believe I just kissed a guy.
I mean, like, I'm, like, the star. I'm popular than all of y'all. But then you could just say, I don't care. Yeah, you heard me. You're just being a nasty person. Just say that too. Just say, I don't care. I don't need to have guys all over me like you. That because I'm not ready for that. Just say that. Say, you know what? Don't be embarrassed to do this.
Oh God.
I do this in class all the time.
Yeah, she
kind of a goofball.
Cheshire.
So,
Cheshires are creepy when they stare at you.
Yeah. So, yeah, and like if you do like a boy, like you could be like this.
Comment us, please. Like, subscribe.
You could be like this. Hey.
Oh,
hey. Alexander, how's it going?
Good.
So, do you like anybody?
Yeah. There's this one girl on Facebook.
Oh.
She's really hot.
Really?
Yep.
Have you even met her?
No, not really.
And then how do you know that she's the one for you?
Because she's hot.
Well, you know, you gotta like look inside the person, you know, and
You mean like personality's the beauty or something?
yeah. she doesn't know how to act, but yeah.
I'm very bad at this.
Okay, come on. Let's keep on showing these. But, come on. So is that the only person that you like? You sure that there's no other?
Yep. Getting annoying.
Are you sure?
Yep. Oh, isn't this your stop?
Yeah. I should go home. I guess I'll talk to you later. You see.
Bad.
Your heart will get broken.
But then you'll find another guy, and then it'll be like, and then he'll probably date you.
No, maybe not.
Usually that doesn't happen. Usually people say yes.
I don't know. Guys lie. Sometimes I'm sorry, boys, who are watching this.
Like I don't like you, and then 2 days later they'll be like,
unless y'all are like really cool, you know, stuff like that.
yeah, like us.
Okay, so
we're awesome.
Question of the day: what were you for Halloween?
Yeah, like that. We forgot to ask that.
I was an Indian.
I was a raccoon.
People called me Pocahontas. People called her Miko.
Yeah, you know,
just love my favorite movie. And then
there was a point when I thought
are you depressed?
There was a point when I thought you called yourself an idiot princess. I was like,
yeah, I accidentally said idiot
instead of Indian.
Like people said, aren't you Pocahontas? And I said, no, I'm an idiot.
Yeah, we tricked those people.
And then so
we tricked those people a lot.
And like, are you depressed? Don't be depressed.
Like,
do something.
Live your life.
Yes.
Before it's taken away.
Have the funnest date ever. Have a Friday night.
What's today?
I was
gonna say, this is a Friday night.
Have a good party. Have a good party. Like
Thursday
like
night.
not one with drinks, and then people will be like this. Hi. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that's not very good. But yeah, and also
I just wrecked your head, didn't I?
Do you like boy? Do you think he likes you back?
Tell us.
Yeah,
comment, subscribe.
Yeah, comment, subscribe, like.
Like is very good. Yes, the big thumb. Look,
yes, the more views.
Have a happy day.
I really want to get like at least 100 views in the next month,
yes.
At least. Please, you guys, and please share with your friends.
Yeah,
I gotta share with my friends, but they probably say, "Oh, whatever, we don't care about you. You're not our friend." And I'll feel all lonely. Like, whimper.
Here.
Yeah, but bye.